This is a civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Jacob and Friends Home Department. A content farm warning has been issued until midnight Sunday from the following Berkshire's locations, including Berkshire, The Amazing Digital Circus, Jibo and Friends, and Jacob and Friends. This is a very dangerous situation. A very dangerous severe thunderstorm capable of producing content farm including the Amazing Digital Circus content farm from 2023 to now, has taken over the Jacob and Friends in the Berkshires. If you want to do same so, make sure to stop the Amazing Digital Circus content farms. Make sure to stay tuned for more information or check updates for more information. If something happens, if the content farm emergency from all of Berkshire counties, this is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Make sure to stay tuned and check updates on this time.